Hi guys, here we are at Claypole level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. I just had a message from Paul Gilman, the one I'm supposed to meet here today. He said, "Hi, I'm not sure I'm going to make it now because I've got work stuff. I've got to do work stuff. I might be around 3ish. I get there if I am coming. Sorry, mate." I was going to say I've been here since 8 o'clock. I might be leaving at 5 o'clock. Right, I've sent the message now. This is for, right, so the time is 12:40 on Friday the 31st of October 2014, and this is for 1 Echo 09, 12:40 East Coast service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. So we're coming from this way. Here she is, we've got a 91 coming. Barnby's gone up. 82,209! 91 at 131, and up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.